Previously, on our Singapore vlog, we explored Universal Studios, immersing ourselves in thrilling rides, captivating shows, and encountering characters from our favorite movies. Our trip doesn't end here, and today, we will be exploring a lot more here in Singapore.
Video?
Video. Ikot. Tumunod kayo. Hey guys, good morning. So today is our second full day here in Singapore, and ang agenda natin today, yung agenda natin dapat kahapon ng morning, which is Merlion Park. Makikita na natin finally yung Marina Bay Sands. Going there, we will be taking the bus. Actually, pwede siyang laharin, pero we are gonna be taking the bus instead para hindi kami masyadong pagod. And from our hotel, it's just 1 kilometer away, so sobrang lapit lang nun. Again, I highly suggest you guys download City Mapper. Sobrang accurate niya, as in lahat na kailangan nyo malaman when it comes to public transportation here in Singapore. Nandito na. Medyo makulimlim ngayon guys, pero hopefully hindi siya tumuloy-tuloy because more on pictures tayo for this morning. And I'm very excited later naman yung more on the adventure side ng trip natin here in Singapore. Just a few steps away from the bus station na pinagpabaan namin from Hotel Calmo Bugis, marireach nyo na agad yung Marina Bay Sands, the view, as well as yung Merlion Park. Parang mga 10 minutes lang ata kami bumiyahe via bus. And thankfully, tumigil yung ulan because kanina nang pagsakay namin ng bus, umuulan. Tapos ngayon wala na siya ulan. So, yay! Ayan guys, yung Marina Bay Sands. Happy birthday, mother! Thank you! Okay, sa internet ko lang ito nakikita, but now we're personally here.
Yeah.
Nga mo!
Nga.
Nga pa man eh. Time check, 9:14, and super dami na tao ngayon dito sa Merlion Park, guys. As in, lumagsa agad sila. Kanina wala pa masyadong tao.
Naman ng aking wallet ay 5-0.
One realization, parang mas madali mag-bus compared to MRT. Kasi hindi ka na kailangan bumaba ng subway pa. Ginagamit pa rin namin yung City Mapper. It's very accurate. Pati yung pagdating ng bus, umiikot. So parang nakaka-sightseeing ka din. And right now, we are heading to Haji Lane.
Underneath the mountain of makeup, there's the words that you made up won't make you any cooler than you are. But when you're with
We passed by this parang store. Malapit lang siya sa Haji Lane. And mas mura dito yung mga magnets. Nasa $1 lang siya each. Compared sa Bugis, parang nasa ano to, $3 each. Okay na rin naman. So yan, may 3 for 10 SGD. Sa Bugis, nasa 12 or 13. $3 for 10. It's good. Ayan na, mga napamili.
Nabudol.
Mura dito guys sa may... Ano ba lugar to? Basta yan, Singapore Gift Souvenirs. Nandun lang yung Haji Lane banda.
run away before I love you, I know you're nothing but trouble. Run away, run away, run away before.
We went back to Haji Lane to try this French bakery that I've been seeing all over TikTok, and they are famous for their pastries and hot chocolate with burnt marshmallow na gustong-gusto ko talaga i-try. They get sold out really fast, so buti na lang we were there early. We will be having our lunch here at Albert Center na walking distance lang from our hotel. Singapore is famous for their hawker centers, and it's actually quite overwhelming sa dami ng food stalls. Ang ginawa na lang namin is nakipila kami sa may mga long queues kasi for sure masarap dun kasi nga pinipilahan. On to the next adventure, which I am super excited about, and going there we will be riding these cable cars from Harbourfront Tower 2. There are 2 lines you can visit, pero we are taking the Sentosa line. I booked the Singapore cable car ride via Klook since discounted siya doon, and we did not have to line up to get tickets.
Oh, oh, feeling like a Sunday. birds are singing through me. Oh,
Malapit na tayo sa Sentosa.
Tosya.
Sentosa Station.
Harto Cafe.
Ayun guys, yung parang si Cove Kinemeru. Ah, slide! Gusto ko yan. Butahan natin yung next time.
pretty like the sun is.
Hey guys, so hapon na, 4:02 p.m. and nandito na kami ulit sa Sentosa because we will be trying out Skyline Lodge. So yun yung activity natin for this afternoon and unfortunately umuulan siya ngayon. But ang schedule natin is around 5 p.m. pa and it's only 4 p.m. Behind me is the Sky Helix Sentosa and then the other side, yun na yung mismo Skyline Lodge. Yes. Yes.
And a cappuccino.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Nabasa namin sa terms and conditions ni Skyline Lodge from Klook, kailangan mo pang papalitan yung voucher mo na binigay sa'yo online for a physical ticket mismo dito sa Skyline Lodge. Hindi ko alam bakit ganun kasi sa iba naman, once na may voucher ka na, you can go, pwede nang entry na agad. Papascan mo lang yung voucher, pero dito hindi. So yan, nakapila pa kami. Medyo mahaba yung pila. Medyo lang naman, pero bearable. And sana tumigil na yung ulan. Unfortunately, hindi matutuloy yung Skyline Lodge namin today because lugi kami. Umuulan. Nag-suspend si Skyline Lodge ng operations nila.
A few moments later.
Thank you. So tuloy kami guys. Bumili na lang ng Skyline Lodge na poncho or yung raincoat for 3 SGD. Mahal siya sis, 150 yung ganito. Pero let's go para matuloy na today. First ride done! So, hindi ako nakapag-video noong una because kinapa ko muna and asaya sis! Meron pa kaming 2 rounds because 3 rounds yung pinurchase namin. So, let's go!
Of course it's this again. Kiss and make up again.
Naupo mo kasi yung plastic eh. Nasakay ka, Dol?
Ang lamig! Wow, walang mga fear of heights.
Fear of losing money.
nanonood na sa'yo, lagot ka. May isa pa!
Ayoko na.
Itanay mo!
I'm not pro.
Hey guys, so we are done for the day. It's already 10 p.m. na. Ngayon pala kami magdi-dinner. So dito kami sa Chongqing Grilled Fish. This is just beside our hotel. Sobrang lively no street ng hotel namin ngayon. As in, parang ang daming kumakain. Thank you. Ang daming kumakain, tapos thank you. Ang daming kumakain, ang daming gumigimik, nagiinom, and all that shenanigans. Actually, functioning tong road na to, may mga dumadaan na car, pero ngayon, it is closed. So, ang technique namin dito, guys, since hindi kami familiar dun sa place, we either search it or chinecheck namin kung sino yung maraming pila. Tapos nakikipila kami. Medyo pricey talaga yung food dito, so sana masarap yung food. Hindi ko na tuloy ng hama.
Sour nga.
So, ito yung dessert natin. Durian. Kinemiru.
Kasi like daw nila.
Sarap? Di ba tayo?
Kain yan.
The next day.
Kain yun.
Can we leave our luggage here? Okay. Do we have to present anything? Or?
Just tied up your luggage with the string.
Okay. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. So this is our last full day. So third day namin dito in fourth na ba? We have checked out from the hotel. Thankfully, pwedeng iwan yung luggage namin doon. It was a great stay in Hotel Calmo Bugis. Sobrang kind din ng staff nila. And for today, we'll be exploring Chinatown. And nandito na kami ngayon. Nag-bus lang ulit kami. After Chinatown, we'll be heading to Marina Bay Sands area. So mag-Art Science Museum tayo later. And then after that, flight na natin later at 1 a.m. Pero we will be heading to the airport. Airport ng mas maaga to explore Jewel.
Treasure the life you're living underneath the sheltering sky. Bountiful oceans.
If there's one tip I could give to you guys if you're gonna eat at hawker centers, search firsthand, then strategize because it can get really overwhelming. More than an hour din bago namin nakumpleto lahat ng lunch namin na to.
Check dalawa, no?
Parang po tayong toyo.
Nakaiba lasa.
Sarap yung kaya toast nila, guys. Hindi lang siya sobrang toasted na kasi kanina pa namin siya in-order. Sarap! Sarap ng kaya toast. Gusto ko pa.
Isa pa dito ko lang.
Ay, ang anghang! Ito.
Wala. Fish noodles.
Guys, ang sarap din ng ano nila, carrot cake. Sarap. Fried oyster. Worth it naman pala pinila mo. Hello people! So update, we've made it here sa the shops at Marina Bay Sands. Saan na yun? Ayan o. Oh, cool. Actually guys, right when you enter the shops at Marina Bay Sands, sa labas lang nito mismo yung Art Science Museum. Natatanaw ko na siya actually. Sana hindi ganun karami yung tao. So this is the mall and then ayun na mismo yung Art Science Museum.
Tapos ko yan.
Layo ah.
Kala ko magdadarit-darit.
So ito talaga guys yung pinunta namin. Well, kaya gusto ko pumunta ng Art Science Museum is because magdo-drawing na tayo. Kukulayan siya and then magpa-flash siya sa screen doon. Hindi ako artistic pero let's go. I'm choosing the turtle. Pawikan. Finished work. pangit.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Nakita niyo din sa akin.
Ayun na siya.
Ayun sa'yo. Mami! Mami Sonia.
Ayun yung kay Consol, guys. Bidapi ko sa usog natin. May lipstick. That shy type yun sa'yo.
Ayun siya, lalabas siya.
Shy type. Hello! So, tapos na kami sa Art Science Museum. Final verdict, since na-try ko na si Team Lab Planets in Japan. Mas maganda si Japan, mas interactive, and mas mafe-feel mong you're really one with nature and science. Parang ganun yung vibe niya. Though kay Japan, mas maikli siya, mas mabilis. Parang each attraction, each room, may time lang. Kasi mga 1 minute, ganun lang, like sa flower. Dito, pwede kayo magtagal inside because pwede kayo mag-drawing and all. I feel like yun yung pinaka nag-enjoy ako, yung magdo-drawing kayo tapos scan mo siya. Then makikita mo siya sa mismong digital aquarium. So yun, overall experience, okay naman siya. Hey guys, we're here at Marina. Shops at Marina Bay. Tapos nakita namin tong, ba't gumagalaw yung table? Nakita namin tong gelato. Kung mahal sis. Kung ganitong tub, mini tub nila is nasa 400. Ay, masarap naman to. Masarap. Nasa 400 something siya. So yung nga buti merong buo na...
Pamahal dito.
Tikman niyo po. I got Nutella. Nutella. Hello people, so we have checked in. Nagpasa na kami ng immigration, automated immigration ni SG. Ano na lang, waiting game na lang kami ngayon. Ang flight namin is, ayun nga pala, flight namin is 1 AM pa. It's only 11:17. Sobrang ganda ng airport nila guys, as in. So ayun guys, sarado ang slide. Ito pa naman yung pinaka gusto kong i-try dito sa ano ba to? SG Terminal 4. Yun siya. Super excited ako mag Terminal 4 because of this giant slide, but unfortunately hindi siya working ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sayang. Sobrang excited ko pa naman kasi it looks fun. Ayan, ganyan siya kahaba from there going down. Tapos meron dyan laruan for kids. Actually pwede yung adults dyan, pero hindi na namin tatry kasi medyo mainit ngayon dito sa airport. Free lang to guys. Kailangan mo lang ng boarding pass. Pero it is closed. It is already 11:45 at can I just say na sobrang ganda ng Singapore. Kitang-kita na sa airport pa lang. Sobrang comfy, sobrang linis. Hindi ka may inip, hindi ka maging uncomfy when you wait for your flight kasi like this chair, sobrang comfy. There's drinking fountain everywhere. You can refill your water bottle. Tapos there's charging ports everywhere. Even sa tabi ng upuan mo, merong charging port. Sobrang ganda rin ng transportation dito. Ng public transportation na you would really opt to just use the public transport instead of using your own car since it's more convenient, it's cheaper. Also, what I like about here in Singapore is they give chance to yung mga matatanda na if they really still want to work, they can work. Walang age limit, I believe. Everyone seems really responsible, nakiklego and all that shenanigans. Anyway, that is it for my Singapore vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and sana naka-help sa inyo kahit papano. It's my first time, so hopefully makabalik tayo soon. I'm really grateful for this trip. This is my family's first out of the country, so it's really one of my core memories. Thank you guys again so much for watching and I hope you enjoy again soon. Bye!